Happy Valentine's Day! Or as we say in the monster world, Happy Spookytine's Day! I'm making delicious Paleo chocolates for my best friend, Nara. First, I gently melt half cup of coconut oil over medium-low heat. Then I stir together half cup of cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons of honey, and a half teaspoon of vanilla extract. If you want them a bit sweet, add in a teaspoon of a sweetener. Next, we fill our molds with our chocolate. Finally, we freeze the chocolates for 1 hour. Now they're complete. Time to give this to Nara. Happy Spookytine's Day!